What if you could crank out viral videos in just 5 minutes for free and dominate a niche no one else is touching? Look at this. I just smashed together a complete video in only 5 minutes, 100% free, and videos exactly like this are pulling in hundreds of millions of views. The best part? Right now, there's only one guy dominating this style, and I'm about to spill his epic channel story to fire you up. Check this out. This legend started with animal rescue videos, saving critters left and right. He was hitting 400K to 500K views max. Solid, right? But his growth was stuck. Then, boom! This beast discovered a game-changing twist inside the same animal rescue niche. Watch this. He drops his first new style video, 140 million views. That's the blast, baby. You only need 10 million to monetize, and he's already there. He keeps the momentum cranked. 10 million, 15 million, 70 million, 138 million, 50 million, 77 million, 13 million. Every single video he touches now explodes with 40 to 50 million views. Here's his channel. Look at Social Blade. 850 million views in the last 30 days alone. Now brace yourself. His earnings? $20,000 to $100,000 plus every month. My mind is exploding. How's he doing it? Exactly like the video I showed you at the start, the one I'm teaching you to dominate with. This full video built with AI plus killer sound effects. Step 1, AI generates an image. Step 2, 2 insane prompts power different animations. Step 3, smash them together, boom, viral masterpiece. Sounds tough? Your brother already did the heavy lifting. I've sweat the details so you can create these beasts effortlessly. That's right, zero hard work from you. Use my sweat to pump out these videos on your phone free. But before we dive in, if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button to skyrocket your knowledge and back me up. And drop a like on this video if it sparks even one new idea. Let's go! First, you need a screenshot exactly like this. Head to that channel, pick any video, and snap it. Watch, I just grabbed one live in front of you. Step 1. My ready-made prompts, your secret weapons. You need complete prompts to generate images and animations. I've already crafted them. No effort from you. Check the description. First prompt is image modification prompt. Transform that screenshot into any animal. See the animal spot? Swap it out. And the second prompt is animation prompts. Both have animal placeholders. Create any creature you want. Let's roll. Copy the top image modification prompt, jump to ChatGPT, Grok, DeepSeek, any AI chatbot, paste it in the prompt box. Hit the plus button, upload file, grab that screenshot from your gallery, and upload. In the prompt, replace chicken head with your animal. Watch me, swap it for donkey. Change worker uniform colors too. Boom, customized. Hit enter, no prompts back, just your image. Look, a donkey stuck in a tree trunk, head popping out, worker smashing with hammers. Perfect! Want more animals? No re-uploading. In the same chat, type, now replace donkey with deer head. 5 workers. Enter. Next image generating. Here it is. Deer, same pose, blue uniforms. Again, buffalo stuck, 5 workers in yellow. Bam! Another image. Just upload once, use my prompts, and unleash endless variations. Download each with the button. Let's keep moving. Step 2. Download epic sound effects. Free. Before animating, grab sound effects. Mandatory for virality. Head to pixabay.com, click Sounds, search Jungle. Birds, wind, jungle vibes, and you can download all the sound effects matching your video. Search hammer hitting or hitting hammer. Tons of hammer smashes. Listen, pick the best, download. Step 3, upscale images. Bigger equals better videos. I generated 3 images with ChatGPT, ready for video, but first, upscale for pro quality. Google imageupscaler.com, choose image, upload from your gallery, upload and start. Processing. Done. Huge image. Download, repeat for all. Step 4. Turn images into animated videos for free. Time to convert to video, 100% free. For some countries, download any VPN, turn it on. Google Dreamina, click the first link. This is CapCut's insane AI tool, free right now. Even with 0 credits, you get 2 high-res videos daily per account. AI video and AI avatar options only appear with VPN, activated in some of the countries. Click AI video, plus button, upload your first upscaled image. Need the prompt? Head to my video description again. Animation prompt 1 is workers hammer nonstop, animal shakes head. Copy it, paste in Dreamina, replace animal with deer or image. Settings 1080p, 5 to 10 seconds, free. Hit arrow, video generating. Pro tip, while it cooks, I'll drop another free site. Google Pixaverse AI. 60 daily credits, refresh every day. Plus button, upload second image, copy animation prompt 1, again, paste, animal equals donkey, toggle add sound, auto effects, create, video generating. Dreamina result, stunning visuals, no sound. Pixaverse, sound included, slightly lower quality. Free equals compromise. Your choice. For the second clip, workers stop, tree splits, animal and babies burst out. My complete prompt in the description. Back to Dreamina, keep the same image, delete old prompt, copy animation prompt 2 from my video description, paste, 2 animal spots, both deer, hit enter, generating. Repeat on Pixaverse, delete old prompt, paste prompt 2, fill animal names, create. Pixaverse result, sound on, babies escaping, workers shocked. Dreamina, higher quality, no sound. Grab both versions from both sites, your arsenal is ready. Step 5, edit like a pro, final, viral, beast. Jump into your editor, I use Wondershare Filmora, drag both video clips and sound effects to the timeline. Order, hammer clip first, release clip second. Add jungle background music. Hammer sound, layer multiple hammer hits non-stop. Duplicate, stagger, trim them for non-stop smashing for 5 seconds. If not using Pixaverse, grab animal sounds from pixabay.com, like deer, donkey, etc., and add to the second clip. Animal escapes, roars, celebrates. Zoom clips slightly, hide logos, boost epicness. Add a text box with your channel name to protect your gold. Export, highest res, download to phone. The method was tough, but I crushed the grind for you. Now it's effortless. Close your eyes, follow my steps, and pump out this content. No one's doing it yet. Start today. Consistency is your superpower. Inshallah, millions of views and success are yours. If this fired you up, smash like and share with your crew.